Audemars Piguet has introduced the Code 1159 self-winding flying tourbillon 38mm, a true masterpiece that blends Swiss watchmaking excellence with natural gemstones. This exceptional release redefines luxury design, combining cutting-edge engineering with the raw beauty of nature. The collection features 3 unique dials, each crafted from rare natural stone. Ruby root from Tanzania, radiating a deep and fiery red, set within a refined white gold case. Sodalite from Brazil, with striking blue veins and a mystical depth, framed in pink gold. Malachite from Zambia, with vibrant green waves and natural patterns, housed in yellow gold. Each dial is meticulously cut and polished to highlight its unique texture, meaning no 2 watches are ever the same. The artistic value of this watch is enhanced by its compact 38mm case diameter and slim 9.6mm profile, making it elegant and wearable while maintaining exceptional technical performance. Inside beats the caliber 2968, a self-winding movement with a flying tourbillon showcased at 6 o'clock. This ultra-thin mechanism demonstrates Audemars Piguet's technical mastery, offering 50 hours of power reserve and operating at 3 Hz for precise timekeeping. The flying tourbillon appears to float above the dial, giving the watch a sense of depth and sophistication. The signature Code 1159 architecture remains bold and innovative, with an octagonal middle case, round bezel, and a double-curved sapphire crystal that enhances reflections and emphasizes the stone's natural beauty. The watch comes with hand-stitched alligator leather straps in colors that perfectly complement the stone dials, as well as an optional rubber-coated strap for versatility. This remarkable creation is limited to just 150 pieces per stone version and is priced at 140,000 Swiss francs. Its exclusivity, craftsmanship, and design make it a highly coveted collector's piece that bridges the worlds of high horology and jewelry art. The Audemars Piguet Code 1159 self-winding flying tourbillon 38mm stands as a bold statement in modern watchmaking, proving that innovation, tradition, and artistry can coexist beautifully.